If you've been trying to build lean muscle but feel stuck, or if winter has slowed down your motivation, performance, or recovery, here's something most people never hear. Muscle growth isn't just about protein, gym routines, or supplements. Your body depends on deeper internal systems: hormonal balance, circulation, inflammation control, nutrient absorption, metabolic efficiency, and even stress regulation. And here's the good news. Nature provides powerful herbs that support every phase of muscle development, naturally, safely, and backed by science. Today, we're breaking down 5 evidence-based herbs that can help you build lean muscle, increase strength, enhance physical performance, boost natural energy, improve recovery, support hormone balance, protect your joints and tissues, all without stimulants or synthetic supplements. But before we begin, welcome to Herbal Flavors, where we explore simple, natural, science-backed ways to support your health using herbs, fruits, teas, and everyday remedies. Like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, so you never miss our weekly natural wellness content. And don't forget, download our ebook, Herbal Flavors, Lose Weight the Healthy Way. It includes metabolism-boosting teas, detox blends, circulation enhancers, anti-inflammatory recipes, and everyday herbal strategies to support your whole body. Now let's dive in. Ashwagandha, the strength, recovery and stress-lowering powerhouse. Ashwagandha is one of the most clinically studied adaptogens, and it's famous for improving strength and muscle mass. Why ashwagandha helps build muscle? Naturally increases testosterone, important for both men and women. Reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. Enhances muscle size and strength in multiple clinical trials. Improves physical performance and endurance. Speeds up muscle recovery by reducing inflammation. Supports energy, sleep quality, and motivation. Ashwagandha helps people who feel mentally or physically fatigued, have high-stress lifestyles, train consistently but see slow muscle progress, struggle with low energy during winter. How to use: 500 to 600 milligrams standardized extract daily. Ashwagandha tea at night to reduce cortisol. Powder added to warm milk, coffee alternatives, or smoothies. Ashwagandha builds the internal foundation your muscles need to grow strong. Ginseng, the energy, stamina and performance root. Ginseng has been used for centuries for one main purpose: energy without stimulation. Why ginseng helps build muscle? Boosts mitochondrial function, the core of cellular energy. Enhances endurance and workout capacity. Improves oxygen uptake and circulation. Reduces post-exercise inflammation. Helps regulate hormones related to metabolism and stress. Supports mental focus, which improves training quality. This makes ginseng ideal for people who want more energy without caffeine, early morning exercisers, anyone dealing with winter fatigue or low motivation. How to use: ginseng tea in the morning, powder in smoothies, capsules before workouts for clean energy. Ginseng fuels the stamina needed for consistent, effective training. Tribulus terrestris, the muscle building and performance catalyst. Tribulus is popular among athletes for one reason: it supports the body's natural anabolic processes. Why tribulus helps build muscle? Helps optimize testosterone and growth hormone levels. Enhances exercise performance. Improves oxygen delivery to muscles. Supports lean muscle growth while helping burn fat. Enhances blood flow and muscle pump. Boosts strength and explosiveness. Tribulus is especially helpful for men and women over 30, anyone experiencing natural hormonal decline, people who want better strength and workout intensity. How to use: extract capsules daily, powder in warm water or juice. Ginseng plus tribulus combo before workouts. Tribulus supercharges your training from the inside out. Turmeric, the ultimate recovery and anti-inflammation herb. Muscle building depends on one thing above all: recovery. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on earth. Why turmeric helps build muscle. Reduces muscle soreness after training. Helps joints stay mobile and comfortable. Lowers inflammation so your muscles can repair faster. Supports liver function for better metabolism. Protects muscle tissue from oxidative damage. Supports immune health during cold seasons. This herb is perfect for people with joint pain or stiffness. Anyone who trains intensely. Winter exercisers feeling achy or tense. How to use. Golden milk, turmeric plus black pepper. Capsules or tablets. Add to soups, rice, eggs, or smoothies. Turmeric helps your muscles rebuild faster and more effectively. Maca root, the endurance, metabolism and hormonal supporter. Maca is a Peruvian root known for its ability to boost stamina, hormonal balance, and overall vitality. Why maca helps build muscle. Increases physical endurance naturally. Helps regulate hormones for both men and women. Improves nutrient absorption, essential for muscle growth. Enhances metabolism and energy production. Supports mood and motivation. Helps rebuild muscle after physical or emotional stress. Perfect for winter months when energy drops, motivation weakens, hormonal balance shifts, recovery becomes slower. How to use. 1 to 2 teaspoons in smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Capsules with meals. Use in pre-workout blends for clean endurance. Maca keeps you energized, balanced, and consistent. Why these herbs work even better in winter. Winter in the US brings challenges. Lower metabolism, slower circulation, higher inflammation, increased cortisol, reduced motivation, lower energy levels. This makes muscle building harder. These herbs help reverse those winter effects by increasing energy and stamina, boosting circulation and oxygenation, reducing inflammation and soreness, supporting hormone balance, improving nutrient absorption, enhancing recovery. Winter becomes the time to start an herbal muscle support routine. How to combine these herbs for maximum results. Morning. Ginseng tea, maca added to a smoothie. Ashwagandha capsule for stress balance. Pre-workout. Ginseng plus tribulus, maca for endurance. Post-workout. Turmeric tea to reduce inflammation. Light protein plus maca combo. Evening. Ashwagandha tea to lower nighttime cortisol. Golden milk with turmeric for deep recovery. Weekly rituals. Muscle support smoothie. Maca plus ashwagandha. Anti-inflammatory turmeric shots. Circulation boosting herbal teas. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment below and tell us which herb you want to try first. And don't forget, download our ebook, Herbal Flavors, Lose Weight the Healthy Way. Inside, you'll find herbal blends and everyday remedies that support metabolism, digestion, energy, and fat burning, naturally and safely. You don't need synthetic supplements to build muscle. Your body already has everything it needs, it just needs the right natural support. Thank you for watching Herbal Flavors. Stay warm, stay strong, stay rooted in the power of herbs.